No! No! No!
Earth, the place we call home. The unique combination of atmosphere, temperature, and geomagnetic protection enable modern-day humans to thrive. Every day our planet is bombarded with deadly solar radiation, background radiation, and galactic cosmic rays. Yet we are still able to survive under these conditions. How is this possible? Because of Earth's magnetosphere. A magnetosphere is defined as the boundary where solar wind interacts with a planet's magnetic field. Where does this magnetic field come from? Earth's spinning molten core. The flowing nature of Earth's iron-nickel outer core produces a substantial magnetic field powerful enough to deflect the majority of radiation attacking our planet. The radiation is deflected along Van Allen belt and directed towards the poles, where we can see the solar particles interacting with our atmosphere, the aurora borealis. Over the lifetime of Earth, the magnetic poles have flipped at least hundreds of times, according to NASA. The radiation is deflected along Van Allen belt and directed towards the poles, where we can see the solar particles interacting with our atmosphere, the aurora borealis. Over the lifetime of Earth, the magnetic poles have flipped at least hundreds of times, according to NASA. However, this has never happened during the existence of modern humans. The poles flip on average every 200,000 to 300,000 years. At this point, it has been over 780,000 years since the last pole reversal. The most worrisome type of solar radiation is known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME. These CMEs are intensely powerful. They occur when the magnetic field lines on the Sun cross paths. Imagine a northbound train traveling along a set of tracks, and a southbound train traveling along a parallel set of tracks. Now imagine that an operator hits a switch and the tracks are connected. The resulting collision is what produces the energy for the CME to break away from the Sun and hurtle towards the Earth at upwards of 1,000,000 miles per hour with the energy of 10 to the 13th atomic bombs. That's 10 to the 25th joules. A coronal mass ejection can be 100,000 miles across, compared to the 8,000-mile diameter of Earth. Earth, once the home of the Homo sapiens, now an uninhabitable wasteland. What caused this drastic change? A specific chain of events that combined to annihilate all previous life on Earth. December 18, 2012. Humans have been predicting the end of the world since the time of Nostradamus. Each theory has its proponents and its critics. Up until this point, the critics have been right. Today, however, something is different. Earth's magnetic field is in the process of a reversal. During this time, the magnetic field that typically protects Earth from radiation is severely weakened. Coincidentally, the Sun is at solar maximum, which means that the Sun produces about 3 CMEs every day. December 20th, 5:23 p.m. Magnetic field lines of the Sun cross, colliding and producing an enormous coronal mass ejection. It's headed directly for Earth. December 21st, 2012, 3:31 p.m. The CME released the previous day is only minutes away from Earth. Global and national institutions have noticed this abnormally large event. All hands are on deck to try and stop this catastrophe. There is nothing they can do. December 21st, 3:35 p.m. The CME blasts through Earth's weakening magnetic field. Countless particles of radiation entering the atmosphere. Communication and surveillance satellites are fried. Cell phones, TV, GPS, all inoperable. The electrical grid is overloaded. High voltage wreaks havoc on all electronics, melting crucial components. With the electrical grid gone, human life has been thrown back into the Dark Age. The copious radiation that penetrates the atmosphere during this time erodes the majority of Earth's atmosphere. It's only a matter of time before it fully decomposes, leaving Earth a desolate, uninhabitable planet.